Don't you own 2 Fords now? I was like, yes, you're Bud Light.
What's up, YouTube? In the truck again. I have the trailer hooked up, and that can only mean one thing if it's me. Actually, it can mean two things. Either I'm working or I'm going to pick up a car for myself, and it is the latter. I am picking up another car for myself. I've been kind of keeping this quiet for a little while and made some changes. Sold the Corvette, did it kind of under the radar. Didn't really tell a ton of people I was going to do it. It sold pretty quick with the intention of trying to buy this particular car that I'm going to pick up now. And I mean, I sold the Corvette. I didn't know if I was going to be able to make a deal on this car or if anything would work out. So I kind of just took a risk and threw it out there. It sold in like 2 days. Apparently I priced it pretty well, maybe a little too well. Oh well. So after about a week or so of speaking with the owner, we made a deal, and like I still feel it's not real until I get there and get the car out of the garage onto the trailer and I have the title in my hand. Then it's going to be real. I haven't told anyone what I'm going to get. I didn't want to jinx it in any way. So I'm going to go pick up my buddy Greg. You remember him from the BMW video or the Pantera video where we tracked down that one in the garage. He's going to come with me. I didn't even tell him what I'm going to pick up. We'll just play a guessing game, I guess.
Got any Bud Light in here?
Hey there, princess.
It is a Ford. Got any Bud Light?
Hang on 1 second. Yes, sir.
Hey, I'm probably gonna be there about 2:30 if you get there early.
That's perfect. We'll probably get there about the same exact time.
Perfect. Okay, man.
See you soon. All right, thanks.
What are you buying?
That is the question. What am I buying?
Oh, this is not an intro to a YouTube's.
I already did like a
is
little.
it? Because
Well, I already did a little intro.
oh crap!
Thing,
You got the
part of
video up there. Well, yeah. Why don't you want a brother?
Why? I like it all natural, like an honest reaction.
70s Bush.
Absolutely. You don't have to bleep all this out. Golly.
I didn't say anything but 1970s.
Okay, all right.
And look, there's a shrubbery.
I'll tell you, I'll give you 3 guesses. I mean, you know me well enough.
If it's a Fox body, I'm going to be upset. I've been looking at Fox bodies for 2 days.
That's a good guess. You know I am a Fox body fan.
I am too.
It is not a Fox body.
Damn.
Yeah.
Okay. Like, you've done the Pantera phase.
Done the Pantera, yep.
Ferraris are junk, except for yours. Yours is cool.
I like it.
I hated mine. Which everyone knows. I made that abundantly clear.
Yeah.
You know, for some reason, I'm thinking Ford F100.
Ooh, a truck.
I don't know. Something's got me on a Ford F100 thought process, which are cool.
They're very cool.
Or
Here's a problem with the Ford
a
F100.
C10. If you're really cool, be a C10.
Here's a problem with those, though. They're automatics. I'm not a big fan of the automatics.
You can easily switch them. Hey, remember that one time you said you didn't want to go through a roundabout with the trailer?
Yeah. I'll just go straight through it.
You get a 3rd gen Camaro?
I'm not.
Oh, that'd have been great if I'd have guessed it.
Yep.
Okay, you've got a Vet.
No, I sold the Vet.
That was a cool car.
That was a great car. So I sold the Vet really quickly and kind of under the radar in hopes that this would work out. All right, you give up? I'll just tell you.
Go for it.
Okay. 1981.
I'm liking the era already.
DeLorean.
Fornicate you, bro.
But see, I'm gonna
You know, hold on. I had just put up on Facebook. Remember, I said I was looking for a DeLorean, and everybody poo-pooed on it.
When did you put that up?
Like 2 months ago. I'm thinking about getting the DeLorean, selling one of my classics to get a DeLorean. And what I was talking about was selling the '66 Mustang to buy a DeLorean, and everybody poo-pooed it. I mean, not like one positive.
Here's the kicker. It's the red one.
I've seen that one.
The one I did the video on, like over a year ago?
Yeah.
That's the car.
One of the majors I worked with in the Army says, keep your classics. My friend Mark McElwain. YouTube, I can't put y'all two in the same room. It would be non-stop laughter. Good like him. He just says 9. I mean,
well, I don't like him then. If he's anti-DeLorean, then I don't like him. No, I don't belong in the same room with that guy.
But they're so... Coy Taylor? No!
No, just delete them off your Facebook. You don't need that negativity in your life. Talk to me about it.
I've got, as a matter of fact, I'm going to take it because there's a real, the seal is leaking. Yeah. And I had this guy last year looking at it and fucked up with them deal.
They're toys.
Yeah.
It's a Laredo.
Yeah. It's,
There it is, just like it was the last time I was here. This is exactly how I remembered this car.
82.
I'm gonna work on getting it out.
Get some of this shit up.
That is cool. There's a red DeLorean gonna chase us home.
Who says that?
We are careful with you.
Only one person. You know, you just never ever know what's hiding in garages.
I know, that's the thing, man.
Look at these houses. You would never have thought that a red DeLorean was hanging out.
Even a DeLorean, let alone
Period.
a red one.
Yeah.
Go get you one. Get you. You know, they actually made three. They painted 3 cars from the factory. I think it was it white, black,
There's
and
a black
red.
I thought they had a gold one somewhere. There was a gold one.
No, I'm saying when DeLorean made the cars, they actually
Oh.
painted 3 cars. Only one of them still exists, and I believe it's the black car. So people that wrecked them and couldn't get parts at the time, they would Bondo it, paint the cars. So that's the risk you run by.
I think that's just from seeing that wheel and some of that. I wonder somebody did.
Who knows?
Who knows? You know.
I kind of dig the red. This
I
is
tell you what.
the 6th or 7th red car I've had. It's driving me nuts now. Yeah, thanks for the help.
I do have much. There's not much I could do. You know.
It's all good.
I pushed.
The moral support was very helpful.
There was definitely a 2-person, 3-person job there to get that out there, especially locked up like that.
I knew they, and I almost went to buy 2 more dollies. Made it home, got the car behind the gate here, just left it on the trailer because the wheels, they don't roll so well. So I got to move another car out of the garage and find a place to stash that and make room, and then I will line this up and undo the winch and see if it rolls into my garage. Probably not going to be that easy. She needs some love, but that's okay. Glass seems to be all in good shape, which is great for me. Obviously the shocks have seen better days and they don't work on either door, I think. So that'll be the first thing I'll need to address. That way I can keep the doors open while I work on it. But you can see this thing is, it's a filthy mess. Like, it is a project with a capital P. 5329 is the mileage. That is actual original mileage for this car. 5,329.7 miles. The next task will be getting it off the trailer into the garage. This will be the poster car, hopefully, for my Back to the 80s and 90s show that I host here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. We do it twice a year. It's for charity, and it's basically like a mini Radwood. So if you are in the DFW area and you have a rad car, come join us. btt80s90s.com. That's a website. Tells you all about the show. We dress up, you know, we have some cool cars and play great music from the 80s and 90s. And the coolest part about this show that I host is we do it at the Fort Worth Aviation Museum. So all of our rad cars are parked on the grass underneath the actual aircraft. There's helicopters, fighter jets. It's just such a cool spot. You get the coolest pictures ever. Check us out, btt80s90s.com. Like, subscribe to the channel, follow along on the DeLorean project. Made it in the garage and got the engine bay open. Holy crap. I mean, aside from being filthy as all get up, I wonder if I can put a wrench on. I wonder if it'll turn with a wrench. Should I leave all the dust on it?
Call Aaron. He wants to detail it.
Aaron.
Aaron Boone.
Oh. Golly.
I still think you need to leave the mud dauber nest.
I'm okay with that. It scared me. Thought that thing was going to come down. And now I start dissecting, pulling stuff apart to find out just how deep of a mess I've gotten myself into. Thanks for watching. Stay hungry, stay foolish.